How to sign out all Square devices. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how simple and easy it is to sign out from all the devices that you have your Square account on. This process is going to be very easy and it is going to be meant for people who have changed passwords or email identifiers or IDs into or from their account. So they have maybe for security reasons, they have changed that to avoid other persons to get the access to. So, let's say that you have forgot to, or you have connected your Square account into another device that was temporary and you have forgot to, uh, let's say, disconnect it or sign out from it. So the process is going to be here in the platform of SquareUp. Sign in into your account, head over to the left side of the screen, click on settings. Now we're going to head over here. Basically, you can go ahead and find on the device management. Here it is going to be for devices. You can disconnect your account from the devices that you have set, the physical devices. And you can go ahead and have here also the account and settings. So as you can see on the personal information, we have sign in and security. We're going to click on it. Now we're going to scroll down until we are going to see sign out everywhere. If you lost a device or left logged in a public computer, you can sign out everywhere except your current browser. So you can go ahead and click on this, sign out everywhere, and it is going to be signing out from any device except this one that you are working with. So that was pretty much it for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content and I hope to see you soon on the next one.